My name is Eric Worre, and I've been one of the highest level trainers in the network marketing space for the last 35 plus years. And I'm here to let you know that we're giving away a mentorship course on how to get unstuck and start thinking like an entrepreneur. And we're doing that for free. One of the biggest challenges people around the world come to me with is this idea of feeling stuck, of knowing what to do, but not getting themselves to do what they know. We all know what to do. Why is it that we're living underneath our potential? Why is it that we feel paralyzed sometimes when we're faced with opportunity? I've helped millions of people around the world get unstuck. I've helped change their thinking so they think like an entrepreneur and not an employee. I've helped them learn the secrets to momentum and acceleration and velocity in their business. If you're not growing, or if you'd like to grow faster, this free mentorship program, How to Get Unstuck, Think Like an Entrepreneur, is gonna help. The training you're gonna get from getting unstuck is part of a 4-week mentorship program that comes free with your purchase of a ticket to Virtual Go Pro 2022. Now, Virtual Go Pro has been the biggest generic network marketing event in the profession for over a decade. 3 days of virtual experience with the best training, the best speakers, celebrities, performances, and you're able to watch it all live from the comfort of your own home. A truly can't miss event that has helped hundreds of thousands around the world experience massive breakthroughs and take their business to the next level. I hope you're gonna love this first session on how to get unstuck and how to start thinking like an entrepreneur. And I also hope that you get a Virtual Go Pro ticket so I can see you at the other 3 free sessions we're gonna be doing through the month of November, leading up to Virtual Go Pro 2022, December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. It's gonna be amazing. Just fill out the form on this page to register for your free training, and I'll see you there.